See that this is the mouse of a computer, and suppose if you want to create this mouse symbol in your computer using keyboard shortcut, you must try this alt code, that is alt 128433. So if you type this keyboard shortcut, you can create a computer mouse symbol. Okay, I'll show you how to create. For doing this, you must either open your Microsoft Word and after that you can try this. So in your MS Office Word, after opening that, you can try this keyboard shortcut. For doing this, you must go to your computer keyboard and you can see that this is the number lock key. So you must press this number lock. We have enabled the number lock, and you can see that the alt key located on the left side of the space bar. You must press this alt key. You did not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time, you can type here the keyboard shortcut I explained earlier, that is 128433. After that, you can release your finger from this alt key. So you can see that we have created the symbol of computer mouse here. For more videos, you can subscribe Engineers Online. Thank